back, Epic Tech. Got the standing desk set up now. The unfortunate side effect is that cable management has to be redone now. One of my favorite little tools, rather than a twist tie, is like a little hose clamp here you can find at your hardware store. One of the reasons I like hose clamps is because it's got a little bit more pressure than something like a twist tie, so have it running up columns of cables, it won't slip down and then the cables will just kind of spread out, but it'll keep the cables in the shape you want to keep them. I would also add that you can get these sleeves on Amazon and these clip holders and Velcro, and will likely be a lot more helpful to you than hose clamps I had sitting around the house. Alright, so now we still have one of the cables for the salt rock lamp and the power cable for the monitor that needs to be routed better. In a previous video, you can also see I have a lot of things stuck to the desk with double-sided sticky Velcro. I eliminated a small platform here, 4 boards together, and then I brought it over to the neighbor's drill press and put in some nice 1-inch holes for each pole. The standing desk is still wobbly after adding that platform, but hopefully adding some 10 or 12-inch pipe and flanges here can help stabilize a little bit of that wobble. The only problem is we have a glossy, smooth black and we have a sandblasted matte. It's feeling a little bit more solid. Definitely more solid this way. But now we have a little spot where we can put a laptop. It's just atrocious down here. And part of the reason is we have this smart plug and that brings out a couple inches, and then the splitter brings out a couple inches, and then the dimmer brings it out another inch. The power bar is way overcrowded, and that's where this guy comes in. A lot more space between plugs. They're spaced out and some are going this way, some are going that way. Built-in USB ports, so I was able to actually remove a charger. Let's flip this out. Exciting part now is we can just start plugging this. My work desk has come quite a long ways to becoming more functional and more aesthetically pleasing. I could say it's epic.